What is OData? OData Service, here the OData stands for Open Data Protocol, is a web-based protocol and one of the common way of communicating with SAP backend system. A protocol is a set of rules, and when we say it's a web-based protocol, this means that we can call this service through the HTTP or HTTPS URL to perform the REST API operations, as the OData is based on the REST architecture. So in case of OData communication, we generally use SAP as a backend system. We can see from this screenshot. On backend, we can have the ECC S/4HANA or CRM system, and we can integrate this backend system with any third-party system as a front end, or we can also have the SAP UI5 Fiori as a front-end system. We can see from right-hand side screenshot, like as a front-end, we have C4C, Salesforce, any Android application, or we can also integrate SAP as a front-end, and we can establish a connection between two different systems using the OData service. OData is used to expose the SAP data with any third-party software which works on HTTP, and also it is used to update the data back into the SAP using the ABAP coding. The advantage of OData, it helps us to access data from anywhere and from any device. With OData concept, the client and server component can be developed independently. It is based on the REST architecture. So from this screenshot, we can see here, the OData is platform and client independent. This means that we can use the OData on any browser like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. We can use the OData in any Android application or any custom application which is developed using the Java, PHP, or any other third-party or any other programming language. Prior to OData, the developer were using different SAP connectors to establish the connection. Like if you are working on the Java application, so they were using the Java connector, similarly .NET connector, PHP-based connector, and ALE IDOC to establish a connection. So that becomes the platform dependent. So with the help of OData, the communication is completely independent of the platform. We can, once we develop the OData service, we can call it from any system which works on the REST architecture and on the web. What are the advantages of OData? OData is light in weight. It is very easy and relatively fast to access the data. We can get the output of OData in XML as well as in JSON. We can perform all the web-based methods like get, put, post, delete, and query options. It is known for its stated functionality. It means that every request which is coming from the front-end system gives the response, and server does not save any data. We can develop the OData as well as we can do the testing of OData in SAP Gateways framework before giving it to the third-party developers. Due to the advantage of complete framework in the SAP OData compared to normal REST API, the development time required is comparatively very less. And also, as in the HANA system, we are mostly using now CDS view. So it is very easy to generate the OData in the backend system from the CDS view. So those all capability of OData has made OData very popular nowadays compared to other REST API and ALE IDOC communication channel.